How are you lads? Long time no see.
You just get your head back in there, people think it's a horse bar.
Without any wheels. It's incredible. So, if you want to have a little look, this is what we're at now. So, give me 1 second, lads. So, what we're going to do is, I've got some videos coming up now very, very soon. The video that you're about to see now, lads, is of me struggling. Wow. Yes. Struggling along, and I got the car turned by myself. It was great crack. Did not feel well one bit after it. Actually ended up getting sick. But that's what happens when you push yourself a little too much now. I should have really waited. Do you like my new banners? The racing's no good there, says the police. Goodbye. Lads, we have the car flying along. So I'm going to just show you a little brief thing of it. And I've got videos coming up very soon of all of the work that I've got done that I'm about to show you. So have a little look at this. So we've got the engine bay with a teacup holder. Most important thing of the whole bay. I do have to weld up this one and weld up this one. Now, she's half done. That side there has got a bit of welding done and needs a bit of grinding. Here's my little new unit. And as you can see, lads, all of the 4CR products, we are sponsored by 4CR, lads. Cracking stuff. Check them out. The stuff is incredibly great value. Great products, great stuff. Such easy filler to sand. The primer's great. The lacquer, the self-leveling on the lacquer, lads. Check out the videos. Oh my god, I'll put a picture in of the bits and pieces that I'm after spraying already of the car, because the car is coming on so fast. Like, I know I haven't put videos up, but I promise that the videos are coming soon and they're going to come rapid. So have a little look at me unit. So then we've got the DC5 chassis plate off me DC5, and then we've got heaps of 4CR stuff, lads. Now we'll just make sure that screw goes back in. But we've got 4CR clear coat lacquer. Wait till I show you the lights. 1 second. Pow! We even have a little few lights, lads. And then we've got all of the bits and pieces. Got all of the Super Pro bushes. You've got hard race, rear trailer arm bushes, extended studs. So many bits and pieces coming onto this car. Is primered, as you can kind of see. Lads, just check out the video here of me trying to move the car. I promise you I'll have another video up very, very soon. Check it out. Also, lads, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the jazzle stuff that's in between. Thank you very much. Now, get into the video. Right, lads, let's try and move the car into place. take a break for a minute.
Round 2. We're fucking flying. Fucking flying. We need to take another break though. Jesus, my heart is racing shocking fucking hard now. I'm going to take a break. Round 3.